what do we have here? Greetings, everyone. Thank you guys, as always, for tuning into the videos. Also for subscribing to the channel and liking the videos, commenting. It goes a long way. And we are just 150 subscribers to 1,000, so we're definitely getting there, hopefully soon. But you guys didn't come for an update on that. You came to talk sneakers, and today we're talking about a very interesting pair of shoes that came out over the weekend. That is the Under Armour Curry 8 Snake and Flow. This pair released on June 18th via the Under Armour website for $160 US, and we've been seeing pictures of this pair for months now. But it's nice to be talking Currys again. A lot of you guys have been asking, when are we getting back to reviewing the Currys? When is another pair dropping? And here we are. Now let's check out the features of the Under Armour Curry 8 Snake and Flow. As always, the base of the Curry 8 is a hard knit material. It's very strong, very durable. And on this pair, of course, it is black and extends all the way up to the ankle where it becomes an orange sock liner. The laces kind of blend in with the base as they are your average black sneaker laces. At the front of the sneaker sock liner, you have a black pull tab displaying an orange Curry brand logo. The lateral and medial side of the Curry 8 display synthetic panels, and on the Snake and Flow pair, they got really creative. The panels on this pair, of course, are a snakeskin design, and toward the back on the lateral side, you can see that orange Curry brand logo. At the rear of the sneaker, you have another pull tab to help you get your foot in and out of the shoe. This time the pull tab is orange and Curry is written vertically. Underneath the pull tab, there's a plastic plate displaying 5 stars, but only 3 of them are filled in. Leave a comment if you know why that is. And down at the heel, there's your first taste of Under Armour branding. It's a white Under Armour logo on that white sole. Now right above the sole is a cement colored lining that wraps around the shoe. And on the medial side, you can see that Under Armour and Flow branding. And of course, underneath that is our old friend, the white midsole / sole that is always here on the Curry 8. There's a mind-bending group of patterns flowing all around the Curry 8 sole, and this foam compound that can only be white gives us amazing traction when playing on hardwood floors. Okay, so we've introduced ourselves to the Under Armour Curry 8 Snake and Flow. Now let's slap these on feet and see what they look like.
Your vanilla white skin flew by my window. Caught me by surprise, how the wind blows.
In terms of sizing, I went with a US 11, and I love the snug fit for a basketball shoe. If I'm wearing shoes for basketball, I do like to have them fit like a glove and not have my foot sliding around on the inside. However, if you're purchasing these for casual wear, it wouldn't be a bad idea to go up a half size. Also, if you have a wider foot, you may want to go up a half size at least. You may even want to consider going up a full size. Okay, I would never want to lie to you guys. I'm definitely not feeling this colorway. The snakeskin panels completely throw this shoe off for me. I just think there could have been a more tasteful design for these that didn't incorporate the snakeskin. No offense to snakes. But I would have these right down at the bottom of the Curry 8 releases along with the Zen Flow. But that's just my opinion. What's more important is what you guys think of these shoes. So leave a comment and let me know if you decided to pick up a pair of the Curry 8 Snake and Flow. And that is all that we have on the Under Armour Curry 8 Snake and Flow. Thank you guys, as always, for taking the time to watch these videos. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment, more curry please. Thanks again. Remember that we are closing in on 1,000 subscribers. I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace. Steph, if you're watching this, I really need a pair of those We Believe Curry 8s. Doesn't even have to be for keeps. You know, I can just wear them one day, catch a stunt, and then send them back to you. And of course, I do a review on them. So go ahead, send me a pair to